one of the things that is really difficult.
Sir, how do you wash your clothes?
How do you wash your clothes?
Especially socks.
How do you wash your clothes in space, especially socks? Why socks especially? What about underwear? Well, the answer is very simple. You don't. You don't because it's much simpler to have enough clothes so that you can wear them and then throw them away. Now, it sounds strange, but the space station is fairly clean, and so you don't use the many clothing. How many pair of pants do you think I used in 6 months?
30 into 6.
6?
6 months.
I had to use 3. They simply don't get dirty. So you use a lot of much less clothing, but we cannot wash it. Water, it's a very precious element up there. In fact, we do recycle water, all the water. We recycle urine. It's purified and reused again. The one that we cannot purify to the level that can be drank again, it's taken and then it's put into a machine that breaks it down between hydrogen and oxygen, and then we breathe the oxygen. So there is a high level of things. So we don't waste the water washing things. Even when we sweat, because we do exercise, we sweat a lot, you take the sweater, you leave it, you put it up there, and it dries. But this humidity, where does it go? You know, here, when we breathe, we throw out humidity, it goes out, it forms clouds on the station, and you don't want to have a cloud inside the station. So the environmental control and life support system takes the air, dries it out, and this humidity, which is a lot, each one of us throws out about 1 liter of water per day, if not more, it's condensed and reused again. Clean it, drink it, and so on. So we don't
Sir, what qualification does a person need to become an astronaut?
What qualification a person needs to become an astronaut? Well, this is left to the space agency to determine. Right now, the qualifications are a degree, a technical degree. It has to be technical, engineering, medicine, anything technical. We don't have lawyers in space, or artist, philosopher, which is bad, by the way, because they ask me a lot of questions that have to do with philosophy, theology, about God, and I'm saying, well, let's send the Pope up here, things like this. Send the Dalai Lama or whoever you want. You ask, I'm an engineer, so we need to do this. But right now we have technical degrees. You need to speak English at a very good level. Russian, they make you learn it if you don't know it. And you need to have regular health. You don't need to be Superman or anything like this. Regular health. This is what is now requested for people to apply to become a professional astronaut. But in the future, not that far away, tourists will start going in space regularly. Right now, few tourists were in space already, but it costs a lot of money. Yeah. It will, I'm pretty sure that in the next 50 years or something like that, going to space is like for me coming from Houston to Calcutta. I flew yesterday. I flew there a day and a half to get here, but I got here. 100 years ago, it was not possible. A trip like that would have taken, months, if not years. This would be the same in the future.
Sir, it's about Mars mission, sir. I want to know about because normally Mars mission takes 3 to 5 years, right? So going there and coming back. So what are the food product, the research that is going on in relation to food product development for the Mars mission? What is the present research?
I missed the question. I cannot hear very well. So what the question? I understand Mars, but the question is?
It's related to the food product development for the Mars
for the food product.
Food product.
Food. Yes. Well, yeah. Going to Mars it's very complicated. It's It's very challenging. The spacecraft that needs to work in a different way. The crew, think about 7 or 8
Smile.
10 people in a small spacecraft.
देख मैं दिख रहा हूँ ना
Bringing food up there. What do you bring? 3 years of worth of cans.
यहाँ से क्या देख?